Hey guys, I just want to make a quick update regarding PPSI. It's really popping off pre-market today. We have a before hours volume at 800k and a 44.69% increase. I actually saw this a bit higher early in the morning and it's actually looking really promising. I expect this to probably have a little bit of falling off the closer we get to open, and in open I'm probably gonna get a small entry 1 to 5 minutes into open, just because I think this could very well go way above this candle right here. So I'm thinking it's gonna go something along these lines. Market open and then we pop off like this. I'm actually gonna leave this one here. God, it's ugly, but I'm gonna leave it here because I actually believe it could happen. So I'm gonna try to find an entry wherever it opens and about maybe 5-10% below open. I think it could go really nicely, and I'm probably not gonna hold it for very long. I'll just take 10-20% or maybe 10% loss. It really depends on what happens. But it's gonna be interesting this open. Let's take a look at LGVN. It's honestly a bit scary, to be honest. I'm not in this stock, but I mean, come on guys, look at this. They popped off because they got the FDA approval, something along those lines, and now it's getting hyped on Reddit. I do believe a lot of people are gonna become bag holders here because as you can see, the volume, we have 278 million volume, 182 million volume, 128 million volume, 24 million volume, 99 million volume, 20 and 13. Normally with all of these, you know, when a stock pops like this, I try to exit when I see volume fall off, and volume has really fallen off. As you can see, the last 2 days have been okay, fine. Friday was, you know, it wasn't really a whole day, but still, even so, we have this Monday candle to confirm it. It's 13 or rather 14 million volume. It's really not gonna cut it, and I expect this to dwindle down. Maybe you can find the right price for it. I don't know where. I don't really do pharma stocks that deep, so I don't know, but I know it popped because of FDA approval and probably shorts covering, but I think it's done and they have shorted from new highs, so I'm not gonna touch this one. I'm gonna keep it on watch list, but I'm not gonna touch it. If you're in it, I personally would suggest getting out, but I mean, you're your own person, do whatever you want. Let's take a look at PROG. A lot of people are probably still in this. It's still very hyped on Reddit, and I really don't understand why. I got out between 6 and 4.2, I think it was. Pretty disappointed with the 4.2. I think it was like 30k shares or something at 4.2 and just 10k shares at 6. So I'm not super happy with this one. The only chance I see here is you know, this line holding, basically this area holding, but I mean, all honesty, I would get out of PROG as fast as I could if I was still in it, even if it means taking a loss, because that loss would or rather will become bigger the longer you hold. I don't see the potential here. I think PROG is 100% done. If anyone is still holding it and hating on me, please do come back and tell me you went green on it because you held it longer. I hope I'm wrong. I actually want to take a look at S&P 500 as well, just really quickly. I'm gonna use the one in Europe just so we have it live data. I've been short on this one from here. I was very, very, very happy all the way here and still holding it. As we all know, S&P 500, what is it? It delivers probably 8% year over year or something. So going short on it is probably very stupid. But I just feel we have so much in the world right now. We have COVID, we have China property market, we have inflation in the US, and we have this other COVID, what was it now? Omicron or whatever. I just feel like something has to give sooner or later. So I'm short, of course, and you know this trend line, daily trend line. We had options expiry monthly option expiry, monthly option expiry. Oh, sorry, there, monthly option expiry, and so on and so on. And finally, we get here. It actually breaks the trend line. It's not the first time we have it here and we have it here. But it really does break it, and we can see a huge difference if you look at the graph. You know, you have all of this all the way, and then we finally really break it. Take a little nab at it, was not really happy, going break even, and now I'm just a little bit in the red on it. But I mean, look at this. It could actually happen. I'm not saying it's going to happen, because as we know, S&P 500 and a lot of other index funds do deliver great value over time. But I do think, I don't know if I hope it's gonna continue down now. So I'm actually gonna add to my shorts today, and I'm probably gonna pay for it with taking a loss sooner or later, but I'm gonna add more to my shorts today, and hope for the best. I wish you all good trading day. See ya.